So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy JPMorgan Chase and Company stock, ticker symbol JPM in Canada on Questrade. So open up Questrade, go to the buy/sell option right here or the top right and the magnifying glass. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol JEM for JPMorgan Chase. The first option right here, press on that. Now once you're on this screen, go to the bottom left and press on sell. Now once you're here, there's either share quantity or there's dollar amount in regards to your order, so type in whatever you want to type in. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press on next, and then follow the steps. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy JPMorgan Chase stock, ticker symbol JPM on Canada or in Canada using Wealthsimple, or sorry, not Wealthsimple, using Questrade. My apologies. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.